Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this video, I will show you how to merge cells in Google Sheet. So let's start it. First, you have to open your Google Sheet where you want to merge cells. Now select the cells you want to merge. You can merge multiple adjacent both horizontally and vertically. Now go to the Format menu at the top of your screen. Then after choose Merge Cells. A drop-down will appear, allowing you to select Merge All, Merge Vertically and Merge Horizontally. After selecting your prepared merge option, now click one. Your selected cells are now merged. You can see the content in a single cell, providing a cleaner and more organized look to your spreadsheet. There you have it. Hope this video helped you guys. If it did, then please like, comment and share, and stay tuned for more helpful videos here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.